In this video, you will learn how to use Apple Classroom to enroll students into a class. Start by opening Apple Classroom and creating a new class. You can enter the class name and a description. I'll call this one Apple Classroom, and the description will be training. You can also select a color and an icon to display your class. Once you select these settings, you click on that class, Apple Classroom, and to add new students, we're going to click the Add Student button. Students will get a code. In this one, it's 4404. Students will need to open their settings on their iPad. They should be able to see the classroom icon. When students add the class, they will wait on you to add them or accept them into your class.